Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Konimaphalaphtwa. If you're new here, please do subscribe, share, like and comment, and not forgetting to follow me on Instagram and that notification bell down there because you want to be #1, right? And if you're coming back, Queen King, what do you do? Welcome back home. Welcome back home. Welcome back home. And thank you for the support. I really do appreciate it. Keep on following me on Instagram and keep on subscribing, recommending me to your friends, family, buddies, whoever. And yeah, as you guys saw by the title of the video, today I'll be plugging you guys with one of the apps that I did use to generate some coins. So if you want like extra money or to do some extra something online to get money, this is the right video. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, I'm currently home and yeah, so guys, the app that I'll be talking about or plugging you guys about today, this app it's the same as Instagram and Facebook. So if I miss anything or if I don't touch in something or you have a question, please don't hesitate to ask. Please do ask. Comment down in the comment section and I will answer you. So the app that I'm talking about, the name of the app is called Be Go Live. It's Be Go Live. So basically you go live. The reason why I am saying it's the same as Instagram and Facebook is because on Facebook you do go live but you don't generate money. On Instagram it's the same thing but you don't generate money. But when it comes to Bigo, when you go live you generate money. So I'm sure you're asking yourself, I generate money by just going live, I get money. Yes, you get money, but there's some work that you have to do to put in. There's some hours, there's some energy, there's some communication that you have to put in. And don't you worry, because you'll be doing something that you love. If you're someone who loves cooking, dancing, any kind of talent, if you love telling stories, just sitting facing the camera and telling stories, you can do that on Bigo and you'll be generating money. So how do you generate money on Bigo? The moment you go live, if you knew, the moment you go live is like the agencies, they know that there is a nobody in the streets. So there are agency, you need an agency in order for you to get money. There's no need for you to pay that agency cause they generate money via you. Okay, so you get an agency. Don't worry about the agency part because the moment you go live, I'm telling you, it's like you opened a can of worms. They will come running to you, approaching you, asking you, do you have an agency? And you need to do your research when it comes to agency because they will recruit you. After recruiting you, they'll ask you to do like an interview. When you go for the interview, you go live and you'll be doing whatever. They just want to see if you can engage, if you can communicate with people, if you get beans, if you get gifts, if your life is livable. You get what I'm saying. So after that you pass the interview, then you fall under the agency. So I was under the Wolf agency. So before we go further, I explain everything further. The reason why I left Bigo is because I was writing my exams at October and I can't write my exams and go live. It was just too much. I had to cut one out. So I decided that I will pause when it comes to Bigo because you need to invest your energy and time, and I can't just go live and just put the camera there because it won't work. I won't get anything. And I started Bigo at around June, July, because I was plugged by my very good friend. She plugged me and she's like, bruh, download this app, people are making money. So yeah, so firstly you need an agency. After getting an agency, so an agency will be helping you with getting your PKs. I'll get to that. Getting your PKs, getting to beans, I'll get to that. just boosting you in order for you to get more money to reach your target. That's how they say it in the bigger streets. So yeah, I spoke about an agency, so let's talk about the beans. So beans is when you buy, you can use your airtime or you can use your card to buy diamonds. They call them diamonds. So the moment you send me, if I still have clips, I'll put the clips here so you can see what I'm talking about, you can understand more what I'm talking about. So the moment I send you a diamond, when that diamond reach to my side, right, again I'll be sending you a gift diamond, it will be beans in my side, right? So the more I get beans, the more I get money. So the beans is money. I even have a nickname on the bigger streets. My name is Mama Beans, because every time you come to my life I'll be, please send me one bean. So they gave me a name, Mama Beans, because I just love beans. So another thing is you need to go live for 30 hours 30 hours per month, and if you divide it, you can go alive 3 hours. I mean, you can go alive 1 hour per day, right? I would advise you to go 2 or 3 hours, because some days you busy, some days you just don't want to go live, you don't have the mood of going live. So I would just suggest, so you can go live 3 hours per day, and per month it's 30, right? But if you decide that you wanna do more hours, they don't have any problem, as long as you reach your 30 hours and you reach your target. So when it comes to target, they will give you, I don't know how it is now, but when I was there, I'll try find the Excel that my agency sent me and paste it here so I can show you guys. The first, you need 5,000 beans and 30 hours for you to get your money, right? I think it was 2,000. That's a lot of money. 2,000. And before, guys, you need data, you need to be connected, your internet needs to be like on point, because you need internet. Basically, you need internet. If you don't have internet, this is not for you. This is not for you, because the moment you get paid, you need to tell yourself, okay, with this 500 I'm going to invest it, or go, what do you call this, the internet. This 300 I'm going to buy beans. The reason why I'm saying you need to buy beans is because don't expect people to send you beans while else you're not sending beans to other people. Like, no, you're just being stingy. It's 50-50, you know what I mean? And the other nice thing about this app is that it's not South African based only, so it's the whole world. It's Instagram and Facebook. This is called Bigo Live. So there's thing called PK on Bigo. Basically, PK is like Roslyn, right? I put it like that so that it can be easy for me to explain it to you and easy for you to understand. So it's two people, right? It's Konie, right? And let's say David, right? It's Konie and David. Bigo will send you an invitation on your DM to tell you that you have a PK. Kadi 13th April. They also give you a time. You need to be there. You need to be there, because if you don't attend your PK, you're going to lose, and a PK boosts you to get more beans. So what happens on the PK? So you go live with your opponent, you go live and you start the PK. The moment you start your PK, your agency will come, and your friends that you have been sending beans to, your loyal friend, that's where you're going to see that these people are loyal towards me. Your loyal friend will come and attend your PK and send you a lot of beans. So in order for you to win that PK, you need to generate a lot of beans. If I get 10,000 beans and my opponent get 15,000 beans, I lose, but I still keep the beans. But David will win the PK and Bigo will send David more beans because David won the PK, right? So PK, if you lose when it comes to PK, there's no problem. The aim of a PK is for you to get more beans. It's for people to send you beans in order for you to reach your target. So far, I just feel like I've touched a lot of things, and I think you guys understand what Bigo is, right? You basically go live and do whatever you want, but there are rules, and there are South African based rules, and there are American based rules, there are Nigerian based rules, because I don't want you to go live on Bigo and then you get that an American girl, she's out there a bikini but she's not getting burned. If you're South African and you decide to go on Bigo wearing a bikini, or you're showing some cleavage, or you can wear this top, but there's no need for you to show like your cleavage, your thighs, or what, because Bigo is going to ban you, okay? They have rules. They don't want to see any child on your life. They don't want you to smoke. They don't want you to drink alcohol. They don't want you to be naked, okay? Because they're going to ban you. They can ban you for, now I was banned for 24 hours because I showed like my thigh, my leg. Guys, imagine my thigh. They burned me. And if they just burned you for like a funny reason, or maybe it was a mistake, you communicate with your agency and tell your agency, "Okay, I'm burned." Obviously your agency will ask why you burned, and you would explain, and then your agency will communicate with Bigo and finding more why you were burned, and maybe you'll be unburned. Yeah, and before banning you, they do give you a warning that what you're doing they don't like, they will ban you. So you need to relax. So guys, on Bigo you can make friends. You can even meet a boyfriend there or a girlfriend. You can make friends from other countries. Yes, I do have friends. I did make friends, and some of my friends did subscribe, yeah, on my YouTube channel. Please do comment to show that I'm not lying. So yeah, so I've touched on a PK, I've touched on agency, I've touched on beans, I've touched on PK. What else? I've touched on hours. So yeah, if you have any questions, and I've also touched on hours. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Do ask, and I'll answer you. People are making money here. Now my friend, my very friend, my very close friend on Bigo, and we're still friends now. And yes, I knew her before Bigo. She even bought a car. You know, I was generating a lot of money. I'll show you guys here. And if you decide to join Bigo, you need to be here. You need to be smart. If you keep sending people beans and they don't send you beans back, don't send them. Move on. Find other people. Communicate with other people. Oh yeah, there's a thing called family. If you decide to join a family, they will boost you. Like you play Stockfell. If I have a PK, they come. Maybe they give me 1k beans. If someone has a PK, we go there and support that person to win. So there are levels on Bigo, and the more you aim for high targets, the more you get beans. So I'd advise you to join Bigo because it's a really nice thing and you won't lose anything. So yeah guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, and follow me on Instagram. Until next time, bye.